I am here at Baatsona Eastern Central on the Spintex Road, specifically the district pay point of the Ghana Water Limited, and the desperation for water in the area runs deep. Residents say they've forgotten what it feels like or looks like to turn on the taps and see water flow. And for almost 2 years, they've had to rely on rainwater harvesting and water tankers who charge exorbitant prices, twice or even 3 times the usual rate, just to fill a few drums of water.
At the Daniel Classic School Complex International here in Baatsona, Mr. and Mrs. Ahaji say keeping the school running has become a daily struggle. With no water flowing through the taps, they now depend largely on rainwater to keep the classrooms and washrooms clean. They explain that even when they manage to get water from private tankers, delivery delays and poor quality makes it difficult to maintain hygiene standards for their pupils.
In fact, right from last year and this year is the worst, because I would say this year is worse because even the water we'll be buying, maybe 700 is now 1,000. The 400 is 600 now. You see, so this year is the worst time. And it will take you, when you have to order ahead of time, maybe 2 days before you can get it. Like, you see that this jam are empty. I only hope is this. And if I don't give the order now, Monday we'll be in trouble. And so sometimes it is the rain that comes in and we get some, like you saw those, that's just this.
Let me speak to your wife. I mean, you run a school. You have a lot of kids here. Obviously, they need water to go by their daily activities here in school. How do you cope? How are you navigating the situation?
The situation is terrible. In fact, I even went to the Facebook and then I spoke to the president to come to our aid because we are handling children. I even told them that there was once we purchased the water, but it was like milkish. And you use this water to cook for the.
It was dirty.
It was dirty. Do you understand? So, and recently the children are going to admission, vomiting, running, which is not the best. So we want the government to give us water.
The chairman of the Residents Association, Mr. Thomas, says the water shortage has gone beyond inconvenience. It's now a public health and financial crisis. He explains that families are forced to spend money that could have gone to other household needs just to buy water.
To fill the tank, these tanks, I have to buy 800 cedis a week. 800 cedis a week. But the normal bill that I pay is 100 cedis because I use just about 5,000-6,000 gallons. So it is about 3,000 cedis a month for 1 year. One tanker actually told me that, oh, if it's for a building or something, they are going to take it from a dam. But if it's for a house, they will going to take it from a tap or a borehole. Only God knows the metallic particles, the rust. We find a lot of things. We find insects in the water. We find metal particles. So the rainwater is something that we have to rely on. As and now that we speak, look, the tanks are empty. They are all empty. Look at that. There's no water in them. Skin rashes have gone on the rise, the diarrhea, diseases, and so on and so forth. Vomiting. There's a school right here. We'll go there and you talk to them. And it's become such a major issue because health is wealth. Without good water, sanitation doesn't mean anything.
Many here believe the situation has dragged on for far too long. Frustrated and losing patience, residents say they are ready to take stronger action if authorities fail to restore a steady water supply soon.
This is a situation that appears even to be deliberate. I do not want to say that, but I think that for an area to be without water for 1 whole year, it means that enough is not being done to service the community. We have had numerous explanations. The explanations vary from their pipe breaks in major pipelines. And we are also told that the desalination plant, which is in Teshi, has been shut. So the explanations are so different. So we have realized that there's the need for us to take our lives into our hands. So we are likely to take it up to a higher level. I mean, we are in a community, we are in Tema West. So therefore we have an MP. We have recourse to other means. We have the Tema regional authorities. We have the head office. We have the PURC.
From Baatsona Eastern Central, here on the Spintex Road. I'm Noella Kareniali, and this is Joy News.